Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set a screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy device. So when you're charging, your Samsung Galaxy can show a clock, calming colors, or a rotating set of photos. So it's a simple feature many users forget about, but it adds a nice touch when your phone is on a stand or beside your bed. So let me show you how to get this. So here, go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down and find Display. And now in this menu, if you go ahead and scroll down more, you have this section here called Screensaver. Not many people notice this. However, there is a screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you tap on it, you can go ahead and show all of these. So first is your colors. If I tap on Preview, this is what it'll show when your phone is charging. Next, you have Device Control. So here, this will basically show you all your devices that have been paired to your Samsung Galaxy device. Next, you have Landroid. So the Landroid screensaver is an Easter egg animation for your Android 15 that shows an Android mascot flying a spaceship through a space, a futuristic Mission Impossible style radar display. Now next, you can go ahead and choose a photo frame. So you can go ahead and choose an album to show up on your screen. Go ahead and press Preview. So this will basically show up all the images from an album on your Samsung Galaxy device. Next, you have a photo table. Again, this can basically choose an album from your phone library, and it'll basically present it to you on screen. And then lastly, we have Photos, which is from Google Photos. And so this basically turns your charging screen into a mini display for time, information, or personal photos. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on Screensaver for your Samsung Galaxy device.